My name is Nick Padwick. I'm a farm manager at Wild Kenhill, and we farm between Snettisham and Heacham on the northwest coast of Norfolk. So the Kenhill estate is 4,000 acres and predominantly cereals. We are growing roots, sugar beet at the moment, but that'll be phased out. Our soils are sandy silt loams and relatively flat. I've learnt over the last year or so that soils where we're growing our crops there needs to be a certain succession of that soil. So our soils need to be at a certain point from the parent material, the sand, silts and clays, and sort of high forest and anywhere in between. And to grow a crop of wheat, the soil needs to be at this level. The Eurofins soil life monitor enables me to get those soils to a point where they could sustain a good healthy cereal crop without the need for applying any synthetic inputs. Using Eurofins soil life monitor, it allows us to really get some detail as to what is in our soil. And to see whether we can then enhance the soil life by using more extracts and more composts to put more life into the soil. So it's transformed how we look at soils, and it's transformed how we review our soils from crop to crop. The information we get from the soil life monitor allows us to start to look at the levels of protozoa, fungi, and bacteria within our soils. And that allows us to then start making informed decisions as to the succession of our soils. So if we need a level of protozoa within our soils to recycle bacteria, then we'll know the amount we've currently got, and we might need to add more to it to recycle. So the soil life monitor has been a great starting point for us, but we want to just go that bit faster and go into a bit more detail. And we've put these soil pits together where we can really start focusing in on our soil succession. So we have the first pit has just got soil in it. The second pit has the same soil, but with a compost extract applied. And the final pit is the soil, some compost, and also some extract. And we will then just monitor the levels of bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, just to see whether the information that I've learned actually plays out in reality. So the levels of fungi are increasing, and protozoa, again, recycling all that nutrient, and actually what's it giving to the plant.